Sure. Say thicker, the better.
Yeah.
I'd say thicker, the better, but
Yeah, he likes it thick. Oh, he does much better.
it's less messier, probably.
You can't let me do it, dude. You can't do it. Well, I guess maybe you could. I don't know. Here. Brian, you know how amazing our kid is? I think he's amazing. I don't know if this is normal. Chunk-a-monk. Here. You look good. I don't know if I'm going to keep up with you. I don't think I should give him any more than this. I'll just give him the boob, right?
Yeah. Oh,
Okay. One last spoon. One last spoonful. We need better spoons. Not like spoons. Alright, last bite of the night for your first feeding. Here. Oh. Yay! You did so good! Okay. Yay! Boogie! Ha ha ha! You did good! Yeah! Good job! You did good. You did good. Okay. I love you. You do so good. Yeah. Mommy's so proud of you. Alright. Check, please. Alright, we gotta send that to